The next part is the county staff offices. Now, over the last 10 years, you realize that we could be having a little bit better offices, although you have not gotten the right offices currently, but you're working on it. I will talk about it later. But the issue is, when you go to our offices in our sub-counties, you realize that our offices are dilapidated and they are not in very good working conditions. Now, what we have done as a department under his leadership, Governor Badilisha, we have done a carried out assessment across all our offices in our county so that we can be able to facelift them. And currently, we are already engaged in Nyandarua sub-county so that we can also make our staff that are in sub-counties feel comfortable as much as the people in head office. As the head of public service, I also overall in charge of the matters to do with the public service, including the HR, which is in the public service. And just do a sample. Number one, when we came into the government, dear citizens, the employees' allowances were not being paid. A sad affair. And we met huge arrears of employees who are so demoralized. And what did we do? Under his leadership, the Governor Badilisha, we ensured that we stopped everything and we sorted out the employees, because if the employees are not happy, we would be going nowhere. Number two, we have ensured that those people have been taking so long and they were not promoted, with consultation and in collaboration with the Department of HR and the Public Service, that majority of the employees have promotions are being processed, and some have already been processed. Number three, as I said earlier, especially for me, I have a passion in terms of training. And I stated very clearly to all the chief officers that is also the mind of our governor, that the issue of about training money is not going to be the easy reallocation. And I have ensured that all the staffs in departments have been taken for training, record training. I can say without contradiction that 1 year we have covered more training than 5 years of the previous government. Now it is for you to assess whether this is a government that is working, a government that has care for the workers or not. We want to talk about the internal promotion. Under the other various from the time of inception, it becomes very unfortunate that employees continue working, but when a new government comes, they want to take their relatives and bring them on top of workers that have been working so hard in the county. And we did a paper and we presented it to the cabinet under the support of His Excellency the Governor. And it was passed by the cabinet that all the employees that are on the higher places, on the higher positions, shall be filled internally. And then we can go out and engage other people to come and be engaged as the employees on the junior positions so that they can grow. Unless we require to get some people from outside where we do not have some skills that require to be gotten from outside the county. The other one is I would like to talk about is also the issue of staff engagement. Let me mention something very small. Last time, and I'm sure you saw it, kulikuwa na kamsukasuko kidogo ya kusemekana with a few elements. I want to state categorically, and I want to state this, and I've said it again and again. I was here in the first government and I'm here in the second government. We have some of the best workers in this country. Majority of the workers in county are very dedicated, people who have a commitment to this county. But about 15% or less had the problem of issues of lateness. And that I said we are going to crack. It has been done, and that is over. And under or whatever could have been tried to be raised, that we stood on our ground. And I want to report to the residents that currently we have almost 100% engagement, workers reporting on time and leaving on time. That is only what we needed, because there's only a few people that needed to be assisted. But majority of the workers are wonderful people to work with in Nyandarua. And I'm so proud to report that at the end of public service.